Hi guys, I'm Kolier and I'm gonna show you a quick draw. Quick draw is a very basic move. It looks like this. So on a quick draw you want to hold the save handle. As you are holding the save handle, you just drop the unsave handle, the bite handle. You drop it down, yeah, just like this. And do it more powerful, and then you will do this. Yeah, it's very basic. And as the bite handle is going up, you just do with your hand this move. Yeah, this move. You just put the hand like this and drop there, and you catch it and catch it and catch it, just like this, all around back. It's very simple.
I try soul to soul with an angel that fell from the sky.
Why do I use quick draw? It's very simple, because when you open the knife you are holding a save handle, and if you want to hold the save handle, even if you do another move which you finish with a unsave handle on your hand, I mean like something like this, you are holding the unsave handle, the bite handle. So now it's very basic, just do quick draw and then just close, and you are holding the save handle. It doesn't look so cool, but I think it's very useful. For example, when someone is trying to rob you, you can just quick draw this knife and use it. So that was my video, and I hope you liked it. I promise to you that I will use more speeches in my videos and my new background, so I hope it was nice for you. So have a good luck with your knives, with your knife skills, and see you in new video.